Good morning everyone, this is me ALIRAZA, and today I'm going to discuss you about how to make money with Google Adsense. So before we get on, let's get to know on what is Google Adsense. So for those who don't know, Google Adsense is one of the most favorite blog monetization method for bloggers and webmasters. Majority of people use it on their website and they earn money whenever someone clicks on their ad, and that is how they get paid. You know, when I was 14 years old, I got my first check, and that was also, the amount was very less, which was around $60. But back in that time, because it was my first online earning, and many people were used to say that online earning is a scam, so proving them wrong, it was something like I was having a quite joyful feeling, and I was very excited and very happy to got it, because the online earning is a reality. So keeping in mind that, that is how I started my online journey with Google AdSense, and that is how I got my first check. Before getting my first check with Google AdSense, I got my 3 accounts suspended. And for those who don't know why my Google Ads account was suspended, it was because I used to do invalid clicks on my ads which I was running on my blog or website. Back in the days, we were used to call webmasters. Now things have been changed. People call themselves bloggers, YouTubers. Things have been changed, eventually global. But back in the time when we were used to be called webmasters, I used to run Google Adsense on my website, and that is how I used to earn. And I used to go to internet cafe to get clicks on my ad, and even I used to visit my friend's house and get clicks on my ads, and that is how my journey of invalid clicks was started, and that is how I got my first 3 accounts suspended. Because I was thinking that Google system is a fool, but eventually I matured myself, and Google system matured over the time as well. So it's not a joke. You can earn money through online as long as you play fair with them. No cheating, no illegal things, and you're going to be fine with it. It's a very popular method. Majority of people use Google AdSense on their website, and through there they earn the recurring income through it. For instance, let me show you some of the places where people used to run Google ads. And for instance, I'm just opening a blog here just for information purposes. I'm showing you. You can see this is a Google ad. You can see this is a Google ad services. You can see the link here. It's basically they are running Google ads on their website. This is one of the things. This is another Google ads. You can see this is an advertisement, and whenever someone clicks on this ad, the owner of the website is going to be paid in a share with the Google AdSense. Usually it's a 50 or 60% divided between the owner and the Google AdSense. And sometimes there are some kinds of ad where the module is CPM, cost per 1,000 impression, where someone even clicks or not, you're going to be paid. But majority of the time, the most common method is CPC, PPC, wherever the owner is paid when someone clicks on the website, and that is how they make money. Even they run Google AdSense on inside the post as well. You can see. Just wait a minute. It's going to be loaded here. Okay. Probably they were just showing on the main page, but usually people can even add it in their post as well. Now you can see this is a link. This is a Google ad. Even you can see this is a Google ad. This is a Google ad. So even this is a Google ad. So you can have multiple ad units on your website, and through that you can earn through Google Ads. Google Ads has different ad units, and before let me explain you on that as well. Let's get back to it, and the question arises on how to get Google AdSense account. That must be interesting. Yeah, you want to make money online, and you just need a Google AdSense account. That is how you can get your online journey started. So what you have to do, you have to press this website. This is the Google AdSense. It's not difficult at all. All you have to do is you have to just search on Google AdSense, and it's very easy, and you just have to click this button, and here that is how you are going to get your journey started. The procedure is very easy. I even have a blog as well on how to make money with Google AdSense, where I have shown step by step the procedure. I'm going to give the link of my blog in the description as well. That is how you have to enter your website. You have to select your country, and that is how you have to just select the create account, and your account will be created. But there are some certain requirements. Let's get to know about the requirements. You need to have a website or a YouTube channel to earn money through Google AdSense. You need to be 18 plus age. You also need to have quality content, and you also need to verify your address details as well. Whenever you are going to enter your address, Google will send a pin to verify your location. That is actually a policy of Google. So interesting read is content violating Google AdSense policies. That is very important to know, that pornography, adult materials are not accepted by Google AdSense. Pirated content is not accepted. Hacking or cracking tutorials, illegal drugs, any other illegal stuff. And you also need to show that not all of the languages are being accepted by Google AdSense. There are languages which are accepted. Also, majority of the languages are accepted. But you also need to cross check in case if you are running in a different language. Also, I wanted to tell you, for those people who want to know what are the high paying Google AdSense keywords and niche where I can earn money a lot. Personally, preferably, I suggest people to write on the content on which they like. If you're just following the money and just writing a content just on insurance niche because it's going to pay you a lot, but you do not have interest in it, you won't be able to get a high quality content in it, because you do not have interest and you don't want to discuss about insurance. So which is why I do not recommend only following niche. Just follow your passion. That is my best advice to you. But for those who want to know what are the high paying Google AdSense keywords and niches: insurance niche, lawyer niche, banking, credit, saving accounts, no loan. Actually, financial niche is very good and it's very high paying. Home financing, mortgage, car financing, very good. Donation NGO niches are very good. Health industry is also very good. Attorney is also, domain hosting is also very good. Over the time I have feel that tech niche is also gaining more popularity, and there are high paying keywords in it as well, and through that you can also earn a lot of money. So I have shown you sample of Google AdSense ads. I have shown you the website through which you can create an account. Now the next question being on how Google AdSense pay you. So this must be very interesting and important question for those who don't know. Although it varies from country to country, every country has a different rule. But for your information, these four are the common ways. It's a EFT, check, Western Union, wire transfer, Rapida. Every country has a different rules. Western Union was used to be available in many countries, but right now I have heard that they are going to be stop working probably from 31st September. So you need to move on to the other options. Number one is EFT, electronic fund transfer, very easy, very convenient. Bank transfer option, very good. Second option is check. Although it takes time to come, and then it takes time to get it cashed if you are living in a different country than US. And Western Union is very good, but it's going to be finished very soon. Wire transfer, just like similar EFT, wire transfer is also very good, and Rapida is also very famous. But the question is how you are going to be paid. For instance, if I make money in July, from 1st to 31st July, it's not going to be I'm paid on 1st August, but rather I'm going to be paid on 21st August. So whatever I earn in a particular month, I'm going to be paid in the next 21st of the next month. So you just need to keep in mind. And the question is how I'm paid by AdSense. I have already told you about this, so it's not going to be worth it to explain it. But for those who don't know, majority of your payments will be through pay-per-click basis. You will be paid whenever someone clicks on the website, on the ad on the website, on your website, and that is how you make money. So the question is how much money I can make on 1000 views or 1000 clicks. So it is a very vague and very different question, because it varies from country to country, from where your visitor is coming, which is your industry, what kind of a keywords he or she is saying. So you cannot conclude just on the basis of having a discussion. It varies on so many factors that it is actually too immature to say anything about it. Run for your account on your website and see it yourself on how does it goes for you. But for me and majority people I know, it's a very good platform. And the thing is, as far right now I told you about the website, you can also run if you have a YouTube channel, you can also make money through YouTube channel by applying to YouTube monetization program. and running Google ads on YouTube, because YouTube is also a property of Google, but there are certain restrictions for that. Need to understand that to run for YouTube, you need to understand YouTube monetization requirement, which are very important for Google AdSense. 4,000 hours watch time should be on your account in last 365 days. You also need to have 1,000 subscribers, no copyright or strikes. Unique and quality content, that is also a requirement for but all in all, if in case you can also earn money through YouTube monetization program and via YouTube, via Google AdSense, and majority of the YouTube vloggers rely on Google AdSense and earnings for themselves. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching it out, and bye bye.